That's not going to stop me. The only thing that's going to stop me is myself. That's the only thing that will stop you. There's not always a second chance, bro. You don't always get a second chance. That's not how the world works. As much as you want it to, it's not how it works. So you got to take every opportunity and you got to grab it, you got to squeeze it and lift it.
All right, today we got back and legs, bulking, day one. All right, September. It's already getting cold outside. You know what I'm saying? It's time to seriously lock in and get freaking jacked, bro. 8:30 in the morning. I'm about to cook me something to eat, so I won't go to the gym. You know what I'm saying, on an empty stomach. Now, I'm going to show you guys how I meal prep. I'm going to show you guys basically how I calculate my food. I try to keep everything easy and simple. The reason I keep it easy and simple because it helps me just stick to it. So I don't just, you know what I'm saying, track every meal. I think if I eat and I track every meal, it's going to be a lot difficult. Now I do have this app I've been using called Milo where you basically take a picture of your food. It kind of scans it for you. But for me, I still like to stick to my old ways. I only use that if I'm gonna be like out at a restaurant. I'm gonna stop, you know what I'm saying, get something to eat, get something from the store, whatever. But I like to stick to my own ways. So we're probably gonna be eating around 4 to 5,000 calories just to start off, and then as months pass by, we're probably gonna be eating more because I want to go 1,000 of and I want to go to 1,000 surplus. All right, so I'm supposed to be eating like 3,200 and something calories to maintain weight, just to maintain. So we got to go way over that. So probably 4 to 5,000. That's what I'm thinking. And then 6,000. And then maybe 6,500. We'll see. But let's add this up, right? I'm going to show you guys how I do this. So probably going to be eating about 2 bags of rice, 1 bag of beans a day, along with 2 cans of tuna fish. The rice is for the calories and our carbs. Tuna fish and the beans is for the protein. All right. Got a bag, one bag of lentil beans. It's 1 pound and 1 pound of rice, but it's going to be 2 pounds because we're going to be eating 2 bags. Now I do this. I'll just read the label. I read the serving. So per serving is 160 calories, 36 grams of carbs. I don't really pay attention to the carbs or whatever, but 160 calories, 3 grams of protein per serving. How many servings is in this 1 bag? 10. All right, so I'll pull out my calculator and I put it in my phone. And I'll just be like 160 times 10, put us at 1,600. We're going to be eating 2 bags, right? So I just times 2. 3,200 calories. I take a screenshot of it. Bam. All right. Now I take the bag of beans. Per serving, it's 14 servings in this bag. 110 calories, 9 grams of protein. We're just adding the calories up right now. So 110 times 14 is going to put us at 1,540. Go and take a screenshot of that. Then we got 2 cans of tuna fish, 160 calories each, right? 160 times 2. Add that up, 320. Take a screenshot of that. Now we take all the calories from everything else we just added up. 1,500 plus 1, 5, what was it? 40 plus 3,200. That all adds up to 5,060 calories. All right. Now, I'm not going to be drinking as many protein shakes. because I don't need it. So I'll probably only drink about 1 or 2 a day, either before a workout and after a workout, or just after a workout. Because we'll be eating so much, we'll probably have enough food in our stomach before heading to the gym. All right, let's add the protein up. Protein is going to be 30 grams in one bag times 2, 60. So I just put in 60. All right, screenshot. And then the rice is going to be 9 times 24. I think that's going to put us around 126. 9 times 14, my bad. 126 grams of protein. You see that? This bag's got 126 grams of protein. Take a screenshot of that. Now these right here, 20 grams of protein each, right? So we just be like plus 60, plus 40, my bad. Plus 40, plus 60 because of the rice. Add that all together, we'll be eating 226 grams of protein. That's without the protein shake. We don't even need a protein shake at this point. And without the little mass gainer. But I still have this bag of mass gainer, because if the food gets too much and we get tired of chewing, these come in very handy. You know what I mean? But we definitely won't be drinking that as often. So just this right here. This is all we're eating. And I'm just going to cook it all. Let me do the math again. Oops. Yeah, so 226 grams of protein and 5,000, what was it? Like 5,060 grams of, 5,060 calories. Now I'm just going to put some water in the pot. I just cook mine normal. I don't do nothing special with it. You don't have to do it like this, all right? You guys ask what I do. I'm just showing y'all what I do. I just keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? I'm busy pretty much all the time, so I don't have time to like cut up some onions or whatever just to make the food cool. Nah, man. I just cook my water. Add some salt in the water. Open the bag of rice. That's about right. You know what? I should trade pots because this rice is going to be a lot. There we go. It's a lot better. And then pot number 2 for the beans. And I do this because now I know, okay, I have to finish all this food. And once I finish all this food, I would have consumed 5,060 calories, 226 grams of protein. Rather than each meal I get, I got to put it on the scale. You get what I mean? It just makes it a whole lot easier. And all I do, let's see, cut this on right here. Tops on it so it can cook faster. Alright, so yeah, so then all I do, I will put it in these containers when finished. And I'll just bring them to work. I just know I got to consume it all. This is how I do it. It's just a lot easier. I get foods that have the label. Therefore, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot easier. And when it's easy, you can kind of, you know what I'm saying, stick to it. You won't really get tired of it. It just makes it a lot easier. That's why I do it that way. But yeah, I'm going to wait for that to get finished cooking. If it takes too long and time's passing, I'll probably just drink some mass gainer and head to the gym. I think that mass gainer is gonna put us at 2,000 calories. But if not, I'm gonna eat this, wait 30 minutes, and then we'll go to the gym and hit back and legs. My current weight right now is like butt ass naked, 171.2. That's how much I weigh. In about a month, we should at least gain about 5 pounds of muscle. 5 pounds. I won't say muscle, but 5 pounds. And then hopefully when we're finished with this Bogan, we'll be at least almost 200 pounds. But I'll see you guys when that's ready or when it's time to hit the gym. All right, we're back. The food is ready. Rice, beans are ready. Now I'm gonna eat one bowl today actually, and just put the rest in these freaking containers. How many are there? Hopefully this is enough so I won't have to wash anymore, but I probably will have to wash some more. Damn, I need to clean this kitchen. Now that I already basically calculated everything, I ain't gotta do no more calculating. Now, if I had some olive oil, I would probably have to count that, but no biggie. I don't have any, so we're just gonna put these in. Just gonna put them in the bowl. Look at that mess I made. If you're not a person that basically likes to, you know what I'm saying, get up in the morning and do this, then you can do it the night before. So before you go to bed, cook your food, play some Call of Duty or Fortnite while your food's cooking, and then when your food's ready, you know what I'm saying, you just put it in containers like this, and then put them in the refrigerator, and then in the morning, all you have to do is just take them out, put them in the microwave, or warm them up, however you want to do it, and then just pack it up with you. All I'm going to do with the tuna fish, I'm just going to strain the water out. Pop it open, and bam, just put them in there. Real simple. Not very good tasting, but very simple. Simple and easy. Need another top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bowls that we gotta eat every 2 hours. Really not that bad. It's not too much food. You know what I mean? And then I'm gonna make this one, and this one I am going to eat right before the gym. I'm gonna eat this like now. Can of tuna. I actually want to eat more tuna fish. Not even gonna lie. tuna fish and rice, you know what I'm saying? That doesn't taste bad. Like if you mix it together, put some salt in there, not bad at all. Bingo. That's our meal prep. I'm gonna take this out with me. I'll probably um film each time I eat one of these bowls. But as for now, I'm about to gobble this one up. It's 11 o'clock. Plain meal. You know what I'm saying? Plain, very simple. Like, if this is not easy to you, then your laziness is on another level. Not even gonna cap. Your laziness is on another level. Because like I don't even have to keep checking it, stirring it. You know what I mean? It's not even like cooking eggs. This is like very simple. You get some water, you pour it in there, put some salt, whatever you want to flavor it with afterwards. But you just get a pot, put some water in there, cook your food, let it sit. You go take a shower, do whatever you gotta do. By the time you come back, it's gonna be ready. You just put them in a bowl. It's literally gonna take you like 8 minutes. You know what I mean? And that all depends on how you season it. If you want to put some extra stuff in there just to make it taste good, then do that. But for me, it's not just so much about the taste. You know what I'm saying? I can eat it like this. It's boring, but I can deal with it. So our first meal was at 11 o'clock. Probably gonna finish it around 11:20. It's 11:11 right now. Gonna go to the gym. Probably gonna be in there for about 2 hours. Um, Probably drink a protein shake. Um, Not mass gainer, just a protein shake. So that mass gainer is gonna put us at an extra 2,000. We're not doing that yet. Soon, but not yet. Take a protein shake. Probably come home, eat another meal, head back out to work. 2 hours later, gonna eat again. And 2 hours after that, I'm gonna eat again. It's gonna be the same thing. 6 months. Same food, just about the same workout plan, same schedule, every day. Just gonna stick to it. Only thing that's gonna be increasing, no changing, is our weight. Our weight and the weights in the gym. Our strength's gonna go up like crazy. You'll see. It's gonna go up. Damn, I should have tracked my meal. Hold up. It's still good. Like I got this app that it'll tell me how many calories right is in about each bowl. If I take this top off, it's this app called Milo. It's basically AI. I take it. Oh shit, my camera's so blurry. Picture. It's loading. See, like when I tell you this actually knows what's in the food, it actually knows. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says white rice with lentils and tuna. See that? And then it'll tell you 107 carbs, 49 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat. I see the amount of calories that's in there, how low the fat is. That's our goal. That's what we want to stick with. All right. That's about it. I'm gonna let this sit on my stomach. I actually could have ate 2 bowls. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna see how I feel today. This is 5,000, over 5,000 calories. If I'm still hungry and I feel like I can eat more, we're just gonna eat 6,000 calories. Not gonna lie, because I want to be, you know what I'm saying? I need to be freaking full. I need to be struggling to eat. I want to eat as much as I can. So if I feel like I can eat more food, dude, I'm gonna eat more food. But yeah, we'll see. I'll come back in about 30 minutes. All right. Second meal. Second meal of the day. Rice and beans. No tuna in this one. I actually, for fun, I just add more tuna fish because, I mean, why not? We're just getting more protein. I don't know if that's dangerous or not, but I don't care. At the end of the day, we'll be eating more jacked. If I decide to get about 5 more tuna, if I decide to eat 5 cans of tuna, that's an extra 100. So that puts at 336 grams of protein. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to do that. All right. This bowl complete. And actually, I'm pretty full. I'm actually pretty full. I think we got about four more bowls to go through. So it's 4:30 right now. Probably eat again about 6:30. Then 8:30, 9:30, and then I get the last meal will probably be at like 10:30. May get a little boring along the way, but yeah, we're just gonna stick to the same thing, same diet, almost same exercises. I'm off to work. This is some equipment for a little clothing brand we working on. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but just stay tuned. I already came up with the design. We got the name for it. Now we're creating a website for it. We gotta get a few more things and we're gonna start printing. Hopefully y'all like it. All right, let's get out of here. I'll see y'all on the second meal. And after work, that's when I'll probably hit my calf. I guess I'll add that in. So what I usually do is, I know I don't really make videos of it because I usually don't even bring my tripod. But when I have a little time, whether that's the lunch break or after work, you know what I'm saying? since I'm working at the gym anyway. After work, that's when I'll do calves. I'll work my calves, a little bit of abs. But I did abs yesterday, so I won't be doing abs today. So today I'll probably be doing calves, shrugs, work the traps, and then depending on how we feel, we might do about 3 sets of some neck curls. Just we're bulking, we want our neck to start poking out. But I might as well add that in if things don't change. You know what I'm saying? All right. All right. Second to meal. I'm at work. It's actually a little late. I'm supposed to eat at 6:30, but it is 7:40ish, and that's because, well, I've been working. So this is now, actually third meal. So breakfast before the workout, after the workout. Third. Now I gotta hope. You know what I'm saying? Nobody interferes while me. Yeah.
All done. 8 o'clock. Because I'm a little behind because I don't want to stay up all night eating. I'll probably just eat again in an extra hour. So I'll probably eat again at 9. Because I was supposed to be eating at 6:30. But, yeah, man. That's meal number 3.
Fourth meal. Fourth meal. 8:51. We got one more to go. next meal at 10:30. 10:30, 11ish. Alright, just made it home. I actually thought that I had one more bowl, but I have two more bowls. I got two more bowls. But yeah, we're just gonna eat that. It's literally like, I think it's 11 o'clock. It's 11:24. So I'm gonna eat one bowl, take a shower, then come back out, eat the next bowl, and watch what's the show? Young Sheldon, man. But yeah, even when I'm cutting, this is the same food I eat when I'm cutting. The only difference, my arm's getting tired, I gotta keep switching. The only difference is I just eat less and I eat more protein, so I'll take more protein shakes. Like today, we had no protein shake. There was kind of no need for it. We got all the protein in, and we definitely got all the calories in. So I haven't even opened my mass gainer. But yeah, dude, it's the same thing. It's just less calories and more calories when bulking. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for arm day and another full day of eating, I guess. This is what we're gonna be doing for the next 6 months. This is day one.